Hello lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a simple recipe with you. It saves both time and money and yet so yummy. You can use any protein of your choice or not and you will still enjoy your meal. Now let's get started. For the pepper mix, you'll be needing just tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper. You can dice them or rough blended them. This is very important. We don't need a smooth pepper mix for this recipe. I also added garlic to my pepper mix. This is optional though. If you don't like garlic, you can skip it. Our sauce is ready to be served with hot white rice and plantain with grilled mackerel fish. Lovers, this is delicious. My family enjoyed it so much. You can also try it. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not and turn on your notifications button to be notified whenever I post delicious meals like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.